Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to switch back your account from a professional account to a personal account. So if you have a business account on Instagram or a creator account on Instagram and you would like to switch back to a personal account, this is what you're going to do. First of all, once you're logged in on Instagram, you want to head over and click on your profile at the bottom of the screen, and then you should land on your profile page right here. The next thing you want to do is to head over and select Professional Dashboard just underneath the bios of your account. And then once you do that, just head over and click on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. And then you want to head over and go down. And then you should find an option there that says Creator. You want to select that. And then just underneath your screen there, you would find Switch Account Type. You want to select this, and then now you can see you find the option that says switch to business account or switch to personal account. You want to head over and select to switch to personal account, and then once you do this, you can see Instagram giving you some warning of what is going to happen if you decide to switch back to a personal account. So if you're okay with this, you just want to head over and click on switch to personal account. And then once you do this, if you head over back to your profile, you will notice that the options or the information you usually get as a professional account or the settings you usually get as a professional account would not be found anymore on your Instagram account. So that's how you can easily switch from a business or a creator account to a personal account on Instagram. Okay guys, that's all for this video. If this video helped you out or you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Have a great and wonderful day.